Hello everyone, welcome to today's video where we will discuss about a problem which includes both circles and triangles. Please pause this video to read the question. If you have read this question, let's try to attempt it. First, the key thing to notice here is both the lines that they have given does not have a constant part. The y equal to mx plus c format. But c is 0. That means both this line will pass through origin. So if we can just figure out what these lines look like, it will be something like this. And for example, this line has a slope of root 3, m equal to root 3. That means this angle should be 60 degree because 1060 is root 3. Similarly, this angle should be 30 degree because 1030 is 1 upon root 3. So you should be able to figure out how these two lines should look like. And now we can say that this particular angle should be 60 minus 30, that is 30 degree. Once you know this, and once you draw the circle, this is the circle we're talking about where R is the center. If we join the origin and the center, because it's identical, it is symmetrical, these two angles would be equal. That means this would be bisecting, this line would be bisecting this angle. Hence, this 30 would be split as 15, 15 each. Now, let us focus on this area. PR is the radius. So, 5 is the radius. That's because 10 centimeter is the diameter. And M is the midpoint of the chord PQ. Now our objective is to find the length of PQ, and if we can figure out the length of PM, PQ should be just twice of PM. So how do we figure out PM? If you see this line is a, now let us try to figure out this triangle OPR. Now as you can see, P is the point of contact and R is the radius. So PR should be perpendicular to this tangent. That means this angle RPO has to be 90 degree. In that case, okay, before we proceed, let us again see this way. The circle could also have been here, but because it is said that it is in the first quadrant, we are rejecting this option. This is because if you extend these lines this way, probably one more circle is possible. But because it is said that it is in the first quadrant, we'll only focus on this area. This is the actual circle we're talking about. So now, as we said, in this triangle OPR, this angle is 90 degree, and this is 15 degree. So we can say ORP, this particular angle, has to be 75 degree, as calculated here. So once you know this is 75 degree, let's focus on this triangle PMR. Now PMR is a right angle triangle. Why? Because if you see, these 2 points are, this is a straight line and this is joining the origin. So we can see that this is symmetrical on either side, and hence it will be perpendicular to this line. So because this is a right angle triangle and you know PR is 5 and this angle is 75, we can say PM would be PR times sine 75, or we can simply say 5 sine 75. That's the length of PM. Once you know PM, finding out PQ is just twice of it, because M is the midpoint of PQ, and hence PQ is 10 sine 75. The answer is option 1, 10 sine 75. Just to wrap up, the key thing to solve this question is you should be able to figure out how the slopes are, what are the slopes of these lines, what is this angle, why it should be equally split, why it should be equal, and why this triangle is a right angle triangle. If you are able to figure this out, solving this question should be a cakewalk for you. We hope you solve some more questions in geometry to get your hands quicker, because this is a very important topic as far as exams are concerned. If you have got any question that you want us to help you out with, please let us know. We hope this has been helpful for you. Thank you for your time.